Hello, beautiful soul. Today, I'm taking you into the forest for a deep, energetic connection with nature. We're not just going for a walk, we're going to learn how to intuitively choose a tree, how to approach its energy, and how a gentle, reciprocal exchange can arise. You'll also discover the wood wide web, the living network beneath our feet that connects everything in the forest. This video helps you make conscious contact with nature. Let's begin. Walk with me for a moment and you'll see. As I walk, I choose a tree. I feel the energies and select the tree that way. Maybe you don't immediately feel the energy of the trees yet, and that's completely okay. In that case, you can let your intuition guide you. Your intuition is a reliable guide. Trust that first impression. This is already a first exercise in connecting with your intuition. I personally always look at whether the tree has a vital presence and stands firmly, rooted in the earth, so the connection is made with a source full of life force. A tree is a living being, a personality. Sometimes you see people hugging a tree right away, but I personally don't do that. I think of it like this. With a stranger, you also don't immediately step into their personal space to hug them. And with a tree, it works exactly the same way. I respect that space and I never take a step closer without permission. When I feel I'm in the right place, I stop a few meters away and with open hands, I sense the energy. I feel in that buffer zone around the tree whether it wants to receive me or not. That's how I sense whether the tree invites me or prefers to be left alone. And you can do the same, even if you don't physically feel the energy yet. You can intuitively sense very well whether the tree welcomes you or not. If you feel it's not the right moment, you simply respect that and choose another tree where the connection is welcome. But if you feel a yes, then you can move closer. When your hands touch the bark, nothing may happen at first. You need to take your time. Only after a while do you really start to feel the energy. You may feel the sap flowing, but above all, I feel the life force moving through the tree. Sitting on the ground with your back against the trunk is also a good way. The support then flows through your whole spine and the tree literally holds you. I personally always place my hands on the bark because that allows me to create a conscious, energetic exchange. I feel the energy and the saps flowing, and in that moment I also give energy for which I'm a channel back to the tree. It's a direct, equal exchange where we share strength and information. There's nothing to achieve here. It's a simple exchange between two living beings. If you cannot do this energetic exchange directly, sending a little love and a sincere thank you from the heart is already wonderful. Because we receive something from the tree and also give something back, this reciprocity feels very natural. That intention from the heart completes the exchange. And now feel, deep beneath your feet, there lies a world we cannot see, but one that connects everything. This is the Wood Wide Web. Billions of threads of light and mycelium that link every tree, every bush, every plant. It is the beating heart of the earth, where information and nourishment are constantly shared. Through this network, trees and plants take care of one another. They share their strength and support each other when needed. They can even warn each other when danger approaches or when disease appears, so the whole forest can prepare and protect itself. For example, when a tree is attacked by certain insects, it can produce protective substances. By sending out signals, the other trees and shrubs can already begin to do the same, even before they are affected. I find this truly impressive. And when you connect with a tree from a place of love, and you give it energy if you wish, a ripple moves through this entire intelligent network. Because I work with frequencies, that energy spreads through this beautiful web to places in the forest that need it. If you can work energetically, you can also do this. And if you cannot yet, you can send your love and gratitude to the whole forest. Feel it in your heart. And in this way, your love moves through the entire forest via this network, and it expands even further beyond the borders of the woods. One of my tasks here on Earth is to help nature heal, which is why I try to do this whenever I'm in nature, not only in the forest, but also by the sea or in the mountains. And you can do this as well, simply by being present and connecting. And then you also feel no one is ever alone. There is always this connection with the great living system. Let yourself be carried by this vast, warm web. In the next video, we'll take another step toward connecting with the universe, universal consciousness, God, or however you perceive it. I will explain the different ways of perceiving. And throughout the videos, I will guide you so that your energetic channel can gradually open, allowing you to fully experience these powerful exchanges with the trees and the wood wide web yourself, because that time is coming in this new era. And if you don't want to miss the next video, make sure to subscribe. And although it always makes me feel a bit uncomfortable asking, a like helps the algorithm so that others who might benefit from this video can find it. See you next time!